How you doing, Ralphy here, Ralph Customs. Now, I'm going to spin you around. Hold on. It's New Year's Eve, and I'm in the studio. Fuck me. I'm in the workshop, working on my Triumph build, wrestling with this exhaust, which is like pulling fucking teeth, to be frank. There'll be a video about it, which might be a bit disjointed and have lots of effing and jeffing and me going, fuck this shit, in it. You're not going to see a lot of cutting and grinding and welding and shit. Well, you see a bit of welding, but you know, it's really tricky to photograph and I'm struggling doing the job. But that's what I'm on with. That's why I'm here today. Let me sound. So I'm just stopped for a quick break. Stopped for my lunch and really, I just want to see the steam coming off my food. I want to thank you all for your support. For the last year's been fucked. For all of us, we've all had trials, tribulations, lost loved ones, all that usual fucking life shit that goes on. In the middle of the biggest pandemic since fucking Asian flu or whatever it was back in the fucking early 20th century, you know. But we're here and we're still fucking doing it, aren't we, you know. So we're winning at life. And part of my winning at life is because of the support that I've had from you guys, from everyone that subscribes, everyone that likes, everyone that comments, and equally so, if not more so, the people that trust me to do the jobs that I do for them, to do the bits and bobs I do, to build the frames, to do the engineering, to work on their pride and joy. You know, without them, I wouldn't have a fucking channel, would I? Let's be honest. There's only so much I can do on my own builds, and the diversity wouldn't be there. And I'm so fucking grateful to everyone that comes through the door in my little fucking hobby shop line. Because not only do they support me in doing it, you know, like I've said, I couldn't do it without them. But they give me a chance to do fucking jobs that I just couldn't fucking do. You're not going to dream up this. Can you just do this, please, Ralph? I'm not going to imagine that. And right, today we're going to do some bollocks that I don't need to do, but I figure it'll make for a good video. Shit, fuck, I ain't into that. That's bollocks. So big love, everyone. That's it. Thanks so much. 1,000 thank yous to everyone that supported me in every fucking way that you have. And I send lots of love to you and your loved ones. And here's to a great 2020 fucking 2. Lots of love, everyone. I'll bash this out on New Year's Eve. No intro, no outro, no editing, no fuck all. Just happy fucking New Year's. Let's make fucking next year the best one yet, yeah? I've got my irons in the fire, if you like. I'm good. I've got a lot of fucking jobs coming in. I've got a lot of things going on outside of the workshop that is just fucking amazing, so it's to a fucking wonderful year. I'm gonna finish my food that you can't see. And then chicken, mushroom and egg. Says we've got chicken, liquid chicken and mushrooms and a nice fucking hot strong black coffee in the cup. Available below. And then I think I'm probably gonna go home and get fucking pissed. Because it's New Year's Eve. So happy days. Lots of love. And I'll see you soon.